Too much people talking about office phone booths. We have a phone booth with a house special design and it's unique. Now, let's have a check how special it is. This is a product to provide pleasure and privacy. It's unique, mobile, and designed with a lot of considerations. It's ideally to be used in any places like airport, education, office, presentation, and so on. We have been talking about privacy. Well, for our products, we are not only talking about audio privacy, we are also care about visual privacy. So we have two lighting switch. One switch is outside of the body and another one is inside. Each switch can control the lights separately. And if you need more privacy, visual privacy, and then you can turn it off inside. We got two sensors. One sensor is inside of the port. Like for the one inside, we'll keep all the ventilation power on when people inside. And the one outside the port is more like a temperature sensor. If there is a very big temperature differences between inside the port and outside, this ventilation system will power on automatically. This will make sure the user will have the fresh air when they just come in. Talking about the ventilation, we have the filters on the fan cover, so this will make sure you have the air not only fresh, but also healthy. The entire unit can be mobile or static, and we got a full height adjustable feet in the bottom, and also we got a full casters in the bottom as well. They're all hidden, so it will keep the looking very clean. The structure is made by aluminum alloy, and outside the panel, it can be plain color or wooden texture. Inside the finishing, it can be fabric, vinyl, or leather upholstery, and all those panels are changeable and removable, so you can change the color very freely. We are just very excited to show you the inner structure, and this is what we're really proud for. As you can see from the inner structure, it's very professional done and looks very clean. The removable acoustic panels, the wire management channel, so everything's just well organized. We have a pre-punched hole from the bottom for power access, so you are flexible to have the power either from the back or from the right-hand side or left-hand side. Our phone booth is more than just acoustic wall. It's a solution to bring relaxation and a sense of well-being, and it's a better way to share an experience.